Hello guys, what's up? This is Natalie again from Serpstat. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we are still going to be discussing about Serpstat. But before we go ahead and talk anything about that SEO tool, I just want to give you a quick insight about this lead generation tool that we have here in Serpstat. So as you can see, I am on the landing page of serpstat.com, and if you enter the needed details here, you'd be able to get free SEO audit in less than 37 seconds. So definitely take advantage of that. And the tool that I'm talking about here in Serpstat will get you white label audits for your website. So it is definitely a very beneficial and an advantage to you and your business. So also we have here a free guide showing how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. And if you want to get that as well, then just supply the information needed here and click on the Find Out How button. Also, if you want to subscribe to our Serpstat mailing list, then you can go ahead and do that as well. So, with that quick PSA, let's head on back to Serpstat. So, today we'll be discussing about the search suggestions under SEO research of keyword research tool. So, that's quite a mouthful. But yeah, let's go ahead and discuss it. So if you are wondering what search suggestions mean here in Serpstat, then remember that we are currently using or analyzing all about the keyword SEO agency. So search suggestions for that specific keyword are listed below. So here you can change the database much like how it is done on the other features. You can also filter it and then export the results, but generally you can select if you want statement like keywords or you want it to be questions only. So if you toggle questions only, then the results would change and they would only be questions about that specific topic, so or keyword I mean. So we can go ahead and untick that so that we'd be able to get most of the results in our list. So you can also add more popular words, as you can see here. So doing that would add marketing to the total phrase or sentence that you are looking at here. So depending on what words you add, then the list would also be updated. So if you take away marketing, let's X that, as well as agency, then you'd only be given anything under SEO. But if we add back term agency, then we'd be given another set of keywords that are related to the keyword that we have inputted. So that's it. That's how search suggestions work. It will just give you a list of keywords that are related to the main keyword that you have inputted and help you with let's say narrowing down the keywords that you'll be utilizing, whatever content that you're going to put out in your website. So that's it. Very easy and very quick to do. All you need is to just supply the keywords that you want to be analyzed, and then add or remove the other keywords or other terms that you find are relevant to the keyword that you have inputted. So that's it. Hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you have any questions or if you have any insights about this video or Serpstat in general, as you can always leave a comment, and then also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.